Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Peasy. Today I'm going to teach you something simple, how to sit like a boss. Now I have my chair here. To sit down, you need to move in front of the chair. To sit down, you need to drop into the chair slowly. And to do that, you need to bend your knees slowly to descend down into the chair. Now, let's get comfortable. Shift your weight slightly. Now, adjust your legs and you can cross them if you want to add a little flair. Sit like you've claimed your kingdom. Easy, right? Congratulations, you successfully learned how to sit like a boss. Like and comment if you want more of this.